sponsored by Bedessee's West Indian Supermarket. They have locations here in Lauderhill, in Orlando, Canada, and New York. So for all of you watching, I'm going to be making Sawine for you. And Bedessee has partnered with me. For all of you that go down to Bedessee and mention that you saw Natasha's video making the Sawine, you will get a free pack of vermicelli so you can make your own Sawine. So make sure you have from the 28th of May to the 4th of June, 1 week, to go get your free pack of vermicelli to make your Sawine for Eid this year. So I would like to say a special thank you to Bedessee for doing this with me and giving away a free pack of vermicelli. Make sure and stay tuned to my channel as I will always have more giveaways coming up with them in the future. So let me move on and show you guys how I make my version of Sawine.